wild and domestic animals. Yes, but tell me what is wild animals and domestic animals? Yes, animals which live in the forest is wild animals, and animals which live around us near our home we call as a domestic animal. Yes, but today our topic is about, see here, we should able to classify the domestic animals as pet and farm animals. In domestic animals again we have two types, the farm and pet animals. What are they? Farm animals and pet animals. Okay, before going to start our class, keep the animals pictures with you if you have textbook, notebook and volume. What is the topic today? Farm and pet animals. So what we understood here, domestic animals again divided into two types. One is farm animal and another one is pet animal. Now tell me, what are the animals which we keep at home? Yes, tell me. And what we call them? Yes, the animals which we keep at home we call as a domestic animal. Now tell, have you ever keep a cat at your home? Why do you keep? Yes, why? Because we like them. That's why we are keeping in the home. And why do some people keep donkey, horse at their home? Yes, donkey and horses, they are useful for us. That's why we are keeping them in the home. Now tell me, cat is, why we are keeping cat at home? We like them. That's why we are keeping. But some members keep donkey and horse within their house. Why? Yes, they are useful. There is a difference, useful and liking. Okay, useful is farm and liking is pet. Okay, now we can classify them by seeing their pictures. Okay. See here we have so many animals with us. See, duck, hen, horse, cow, dog, cat, donkey, and here one fish, rabbit. All these are the animals I kept here. By seeing this, today we are going to differentiate these animals into two groups. What are they? Yes, what is the topic? Farm and pet animals. So we are making as a farm and pet animals. Now tell me, which comes under the farm animal? Do hen comes the farm animal? Yes, what we have told before, animals which are helpful for us and useful for us. Do hen useful for us? Yes, it gives us egg. That's why it is useful for us. That's why we kept it as a farm animal. Duck also gives the eggs. Cow gives us milk. Horse and a donkey carry the load and they will take us from one place to another. That's why this all are comes under the farm animals. Now pet animals, see, the animals which are friendly with us. Yes, some members keep dog in their home, some members keep cat in their home, and some members keep the fish and rabbits also as a pet animal. Okay children, now we have classified these animals as a pet and farm animals. Now tell me, what are the two groups we made here? Farm and pet animals. Are the two groups similar or different? Yes, these both are different. Why? Because these are the farm animals, they are useful for us. These are the pet animals, they are friendly with us. Now tell me, how are the two groups are same? Yes, they are same. They are comes under domestic animals. We read in before class. Yes, yeah, they both live near our home. What are the similarity between them? They both live near our home. Now what are the groups different? Yes, tell me. The animals in both groups are kept at home. Yes or no? And they are different. We use them in different ways. What are the difference means? We use them in different ways. This we take the things from them, egg, milk, and like this. These are the animals we kept for friendly. Okay, that is the difference. Now tell me, why do we keep the pet animals at home? Yes, why we keep pet animals are kept at home? Because we like to play. Yes or no? We like to play with dog, we like to play with cat. So we like to play with them. And why do we keep farm animals with them? Why? Because the farm animals are useful for us. How they are useful for us? See here how they are useful for us. Yes, here cow gives us milk, hen and duck gives the eggs, and some farm animals like horse and donkey, they also carry people and things from one place to another. Yes or no? These both carry the loads and they take us from one place to another. Cow gives us milk. This both gives the eggs to us. That's why these are called farm animals. Now see here, every pet animal which we keep us, see here these pet animals, every pet animals which we keep us, they are friendly with us and they also use for us. How they are useful and means, see here this dog guards our home, okay, and this cat also do for us one thing, that is it scares the mice away. Yes or no? It scares the mice away. Dog, it guards our house. Okay children, now both group of the animals are depend upon us. Now how, see here, these both groups are depend upon us. Why they are depending? Yes, they are domestic animals, they are living around our house, so we should take care of them. Okay children, we need to take care of them and we depend upon them also. Yes or no? We are depending on them. Why? Because we are depending on the cow to milk, we are depending upon the hen for eggs. Yes or no? Yes. And see here, I am asking one question for you. Do all the other types of animals we can keep as a pet animal? Once again listen my question. How do we decide which animals to keep as a pet animal? Do all animals we can keep as a pet animal? No, we cannot keep all the animals as a pet animal. Animals which are friendly and calm, which do not harm us, okay, and which do not get angry soon. That type of animals only we should keep as a pet animal. Okay children? Okay. Yes, now open your textbook, block number 2, page number 17. Keep the finger. Farm and pet animals. Domestic animals are of two types. We keep hens, ducks, cows, goats and horses with us as they are very useful to us. They give us milk, eggs and wool and meat. They also carry lot for us. These animals are called farm animals. See that pictures? You have some farm animals there. Hen, horse, cow. Okay children? Now see the second picture. Some animals like dogs and cats stay with us like our family. They are like our friends. These animals are called pet animals. You can see here some pictures: cat, dog, rabbit. All these are friendly with us and we call them as a pet animals. Now children, open your volume. Yes, did you open the volumes children? Page number 15. Write the date. Farm animals and pets. See the first one. Ramit has kept some sheep at his farm. How are sheep useful? You want to write the use of the sheep. Okay, see the second one. Read the lines below and guess the name of the animal. I will read it. You want to guess the answer and write the answers. Okay, if you have pencils, you write down now itself. I am a bird. I am bright green. I repeat your words. I am a parrot and I am a pet animal. Okay, you want to write which type of animal it is. Okay, second one, see here. A. I am an animal. I am strong but slow. I carry your load. I am a dash. and I am a dash animal. You want to guess the answer and write that which type of animal it is and what is that animal. Okay. Number B. I am an animal. I scare away the mice. Which animal scares the mice? Yes, you want to write that answer. Which type of an animal it is? Pet animal or farm animal? Yes, you want to write that answer. Number C. I am a bird. I like to eat grains. I give you eggs for breakfast. Okay. I am a dash and I am a dash animal. Number D. Carrots, carrots. Where are they? My long ears hear them even when I am away. I am a dash and I am a dash animal. Okay, all this you want to write. Now see the third question. Why can we keep the golden fish as a pet? Why we want to keep these fishes, golden fishes as a pet? You want to write the reason. Okay children, this is the topic today.